Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Drishti Agrawal and today I'm going to show you guys how to do a smoky eye look.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time.
I'm using a concealer to hide the discoloration on my eyes so that the colors which I use later look vibrant. Now you need to use a powder so that the concealer does not crease.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful.
Apply a light brown shade on a crease and blend it outwards to create a soft transition look.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
You need to apply a black shadow all over your lid using a smaller dense brush for the maximum opacity.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
Now using a flatter blending brush, apply a dark brown shade just over the black color and blend it.
In the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be. In the great outdoors, forever free.
You need to smoke out your lower lash line using the same black and brown shade you used earlier.
Forever free.
Then pop up some lashes and apply mascara. Finally, highlight your inner corners and brow bone.